Recently, Amazon flipped a switch, and every automation tool you use to manage an Amazon seller account just became a legal liability. Hi, I'm Trish. I'm author of the Drift Intel newsletter and more recently, the Drift Intel YouTube channel. Now you're thinking, I don't sell on Amazon, this doesn't affect me. Wrong. Because what Amazon just did is write the formal governance framework for AI agents operating on a major platform. And every platform you build on is watching to see how this plays out. I'm calling this the walled garden flip. Amazon spent the last decade building the most open marketplace on the internet. Now they're installing gates at every entrance, and AI agents are the first ones getting locked out. And the reason why they're doing this starts with a lawsuit from 4 months ago that most developers may not have heard about. So, last November, Amazon sued Perplexity AI. The reason? Perplexity built a browser called Comet with an AI agent that could shop on Amazon on your behalf. Search for products, compare prices, even complete purchases, all automated. Sounds useful, right? Except Perplexity's agent was disguising itself as a regular Chrome browser. It was logging into real customer accounts, making purchases through Prime, and never identifying itself as an AI. Amazon asked them to stop twice. Perplexity kept doing it. Amazon blocked Comet's digital fingerprint. Perplexity updated their code to evade the block. Amazon sent a cease and desist. Perplexity published a blog post called "Bullying is Not Innovation." Then Amazon sued them under the Computer Fraud and Abuse Act. That lawsuit was the trigger for the walled garden flip, because Amazon realized they had a much bigger problem on their hands than one rogue browser. They had an entire ecosystem of automated tools accessing their platform with zero governance. And the policy that went live recently is their answer. And that answer goes a lot further than just blocking AI shopping bots. On March 4th, Amazon's updated business solutions agreement went live. Here are the 3 things every developer and seller needs to know. 1, Amazon now has a standalone agent policy. Every automated system that touches Amazon services, so AI agents, bots, scripts, automated software of any kind, has to meet 3 rules. It has to identify itself as automated at all times. It has to comply with the agent policy without exception. And it has to stop accessing Amazon immediately when Amazon says so. The last part is the kill switch. Amazon now has the contractual right to shut down any automated tools access without prior notice. 2, you'd think that this is just about AI chatbots and shopping agents, but actually the language covers automated software and or agents. And sellers in the forums are already asking whether this includes their inventory management tools, their order fulfillment software, their FBA reimbursement services. One seller posted, "We use software to obtain pending orders and send tracking back to Amazon. Does this count?" Amazon hasn't clarified, and by using Amazon services after March 4th, you've already accepted the terms. 3, a new section 4.2 prohibits using Amazon's materials or services to develop or improve AI and machine learning models. That's a direct data wall. No scraping Amazon's data for training, no reverse engineering, no deriving source code or model components. Now here's where this gets really interesting, because Amazon isn't just building walls, they're building walls with a door only they control. Okay, so you're thinking, Amazon updated their terms. Companies do that all the time. But zoom out for a second and look at the full picture. In the same week, the very same week, Amazon invested $50 billion in OpenAI to build AI agent infrastructure. They launched an ads MCP server in open beta so their own AI agents can interact with advertiser data. And they rolled out a policy that gives them a kill switch on everyone else's agents. That's the walled garden flip. Amazon wants AI agents everywhere on their platform. They just want to be the ones controlling them. You'd think the biggest marketplace in the world would want more automation, more efficiency, more tools. Instead, They're centralizing control over which agents get access on what terms. And this isn't just an Amazon story. Xero did the same thing 2 days earlier, banned the use of API data for AI training, and imposed tiered pricing that makes it expensive for third-party developers to access their platform. Postman killed free team collaboration on the same day. The pattern is clear. Platforms are drawing lines around their ecosystems and deciding who gets in. If you build products that depend on another company's platform, this is the week you start paying attention to the terms of service, because the terms just got teeth. So 3 things to keep in mind. 1, audit every automation tool that touches your Amazon account. Check whether your provider has acknowledged the new agent policy. Tools that access Amazon data through automated systems now fall under stricter rules, and Amazon has the right to cut access without warning. 2, read the terms, not the summary, not the blog post, the actual updated BSA. It takes 20 minutes, and those 20 minutes protect your business. 3, build a kill switch into your own systems. Amazon's policy requires that agents stop immediately on request. If your automation can't do that, you're already non-compliant. The walled garden flip isn't slowing down. It's the new normal for platform governance, and we'll keep tracking it here at Drift Intel. Newsletter link is in the description. I'll see you in the next one.